Hi, I'm Brian Verdi, and I'm a part of People Advancing Science.
Hello, I'm Michael Berg. I'm part of People Advancing Science.
We primarily do Legionella waterborne pathogens testing, with Legionella testing being our area of expertise. Most of the work is done with culture-based methods, and we have a couple of different varieties to help satisfy our client needs.
One is a CDC-based method, how to recover Legionella from environmental samples. The other one is an ISO method. So both of those are a part of what we do. Legionella culture testing, the spread plate method here in Pittsburgh and elsewhere in the network.
We also do PCR for Legionella as well, and a couple other waterborne pathogens.
So we offer all the common options on Legionella testing, but not only that, we do go into a lot more depth than a lot of other companies do.
We have great systems in place, so it starts really at getting the samples in the door here. So we have great software in place to help us manage our customers, manage these processes, and make sure the testing goes through as needed. In the laboratory, we have UV microscope and MALDI-TOF identification system that allows us to identify whatever organism that we do find. There are many species of Legionella, so it's great to have that ability on hand so we can give the customers exactly what they're looking for.
We do full serotyping and speciation on request or as a default in Pittsburgh. We can do we can retain strains and save them for clients if they're needed. So we got a lot of supporting services with the Legionella that kind of also makes us the leader in that field.
So when our customers order Legionella water kits for us, we provide what they need to do the testing, which is generally the bottle size, and that's going to be driven by client demand. Typically for routine testing, they're going to get a sterile 250 ml bottle with sodium thiosulfates. We have up to a liter whenever that limit of detection and that quantity is desired, often in case of investigations. We pack it in a Legionella kit because, we know it's very important, and this kit has gone through many iterations. Shipping a lot of water samples across the country is a pretty difficult task. So throughout the years, we've changed our bottles, added metal lids, added waterproof liners, added the packing inserts to keep the bottles upright and in good situations. That way we really minimize leakage, breakage, and any type of mishandling from the carriers.